guys, welcome back. I'm trying to film. I'm going to be doing a colorful look. Jamrock palette and Jamrock Extreme. So I don't know what to do. I want to go into this one. I want to go into this one. I think I'm going to do both of them. And this is what the Jamrock Extreme palette looks like. So I'm going to go back and forth. I'm going to be using my P. Louise base. I'm going to base my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. So I cleaned my crease off, well, my lid off camera. If you want to know how I do that, I've been doing it in my other videos. So yeah, you'll see that coming up. If not before this, probably after. I'm going to be using this Master Stroke number 10 just to cut my crease. So this is what I have. I went over my crease with each one of these colors. the green, the yellow, and then the turquoise, just to help further blend. So now I'm going to do my liner. I'm going to do one on camera, one off camera, just because I feel like I really want to take my time. So I'll be right back to do this eye. Okay, so the eyes are done. My daughter is cooking. There is no school, as y'all should know. I'm gonna do my foundation and stuff off camera. I've been showing y'all on camera, so you know what I've been using. My Makeup Revolution concealers, my foundation from Juvia's Place, my powder from Maybelline. You know, it's the same old, same old. So I'm gonna skip this part. I'll be right back. So I'm going to take this highlighter. I started to highlight and I realized I wasn't filming. So I used this highlighter. This is the Juvia's Place Heroin Glow 1. So I will use that on a JH09 brush. And I just swept it on the high point of my face. Down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. I'm watching something and I forgot to turn on the camera. But it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blush. This is a new blush from Juvia's Place. It's in the color Bella. It's so pretty. I love Juvia's Place, but their packaging, you can barely open the thing up. Like, girl, I'm trying to get them a product. My nose is tickling. Okay, so this is Bella. So I'm going to use Bella on this brush that I used to just set my whole face. I'm just going to get a little bit of it.